So we're going to take a look at this citrus tree. This tree looks dead and damaged. Part of it is the stem was broken. However, there's some green still on this plant. And if you want to make a decision on is it dead or alive, what I usually do is go through and cut. Well, we know it's white and there's no green in there, so that's dead. There's a little green in here. So I usually will just go through and do a little bit of trimming. This is bendable. We know that that's not any good. You don't want to cut too early, but if you see things that are dead, like you see this dead fruit, we definitely want to get that off. This stem is broken here. We want to take that off. But I am not going to pull this plant up, and I'm not going to take this plant out because I think it's going to survive. If you look here, we have a little green here and we have a little green here, which tells me there's still some life in the plant. So I am just going to cut the obvious dead things. I'm just going to cut the obvious dead branches. Like I said, these two things, they have mold on it. We don't want the rest of the tree to mold. But again, don't cut too early, because if we have another freeze, that tree may have even more damage. So just cut the obvious, wherever you see mold, smushy fruit, take those off immediately. And then if we have another freeze, I'm just going to insulate this plant heavily, and I think that it'll come back. So let's take a look at one more tree and we'll see.